Tim and Aaron Tillman back at you. So today's video, I wanted to show you this Wuben X1 Pro flashlight. This thing is fantastic. I just recently received this from Wuben. Now they did send this out to me and asked me to do a review, not telling me what to say, not giving me any kind of money or anything in exchange for this video. I wanted to show you this because this thing is really cool. It's a bigger flashlight. If you're used to the old mag lights, the big ones, then you really like this one. This one is a super bright flashlight. You know me, I'm a sucker for flashlights, and there's something that really surprised me with this one, and I'll have to show you that. Let's get into the video. So let me start off by saying this is a little heavier flashlight than probably what you're used to. It weighs 13.5 ounces. I would say it's bigger than what I'm used to. If you're a person that needs going to be outside a lot, and if you need to light a big area, then this is the flashlight for you. This thing is crazy bright. Let me show you. Let me kill the lights in. Actually, yeah, let me kill the lights in here. I'll kill the lights, and then I'll kind of show you. Give you a sneak peek. So that is half of the lumens. Now one of these, the spotlight have on right now. The spotlight is 8650 lumens, and the floodlight is 3650 lumens. But together they're 12,300 lumens. So I've got the lights off, completely off. You can see I shut it off. It's dark, fairly dark in here in the garage, but and you have to hit the button twice. So if I hit it twice, it literally can light up the room. Now, I'm planning on trying to use this here in the garage when I do videos. This thing actually comes with a threaded extension spacer, which I'm gonna actually put on with you. I gotta figure out where it goes. I don't really see any. I have to look at the directions because you know what?
Nobody reads that.
This thing is so bright. It actually has a cooling fan. They call it a smart cooling fan inside here. So right here, there's a smart cooling fan in it, and it actually keeps the thing cool when you have it on. Again, the spotlight is 8650 lumens, and the floodlight is 3650 lumens. If you use them both together, which is hitting the button twice, you get the 12,300 lumens. Now the 12,300 lumens is registered to reach 410 meters. If I'm remembering correctly, a meter is 3 feet, and so 410 meters. That's a long way. That's a really long way. Now at the time of this video, this is running on Amazon. It's running $139.99, so it's not a cheap flashlight. And then the nice thing about this is you can actually charge your phone with this. It has the port is a discharge port as well, so you can charge your phone with a 15-watt output on here, which I think it's fantastic. So it's, just and I think it's USB-C. There is put it on the overhead here. Let me show you here. There is right here, there's a little rubber deal, and there's a USB-C underneath it. And then here is the button that you hit to turn it on and off with. So that's the full brightness. And then off, you turn one on. You have one of the lights, if you can see that. One of them is actually lit and the other one is not. And then you turn it up. Actually, that actually wasn't all of them. So that actually was just one light. Let me see if what I was just showing you. I can't see. What I actually was just showing you was just this side right here. Was it just this side, not this side over here? So let me see if I can get this one on here. So there is low, low. Bright. I'm just holding the button down. And that's just one of the lights. Now let me get the book here. I'll have to show you the part that really surprised me here in a minute. Now it comes in this really nice, comes in this, they package it really well. Wuben has a good deal of decent packaging, and when you get this you'll see it has a tray in here, and then you have the accessories, and then there's actually a belt holster in here. I haven't actually taken it out yet. So this belt holster, let me go on the overhead. Let me get this box and everything out of the way. I'll have to hang on to that box though, because if I ever have to store it for any reason. So you do get a good book, and then kind of tells you how to do it in push buttons. Here is the fun part, okay? I wanted to show you this because when I opened up the box, again, I'll preface this by saying, I opened up the box, started unpacking it, and I was disappointed. Okay, where's the charging cord? Here is the lanyard. Push the button, and the lanyard is, let me put it on the overhead so you can see it a little better. So I got the lanyard, right? And it says Wuben on it, and you got the lanyard. It's pretty comfortable. I had it around my deal. There's a little button here on the side, and you push in and pull out. The lanyard is actually your USB-C charging cord. That is cool.
Cool.
I don't know if that's gonna hold up over time, but I just thought it was pretty cool. So you always have your charging cord with you. The only thing that I didn't see on this is a belt clip. Maybe one comes with it that you have to order, but I did not see a belt clip. And then there is a lock here. Hit the lock, and then you can push the button and your battery door opens up. So you got replaceable batteries, that's super cool. Now I do kind of wish that this flashlight had like this little white Wuben, the X4, actually has a little tactical deal on it where you have the little button and you push it from the back. So if you're holding it like this, you can, like a tactical flashlight. I do like that. It appears to me that the belt holster is actually meant to stay on the unit. I guess that wouldn't be a game changer for me. I'm probably just going to put it on there and leave it on there. But what I wanted to do is, it actually comes with this 1/4-20. This is called the quarter thread extension spacer. I wanted to use the flashlight here in my garage / studio here, and where I could actually light up behind me, have it facing up, away from me a little bit, get a little better lighting in here. So when I'm filming videos, so you actually have right here, you actually have 2 little screw holes, and I'm going to install this. It actually comes with it. I'm not sure if they sent me this with it, so I'm not sure if you actually have to buy. This appears like it's some sort of slide for something else too. So this actually slides on here, and then you tighten it down with these little bitty screws. So I'm going to use the 1/4-20 and probably put it on a tripod when I'm filming, get a little better lighting in here. I'm trying to get this little bitty baggie open. These are little hex screws. Boy, they are tiny. Let me see if I can find alright, so I don't know if this is metric, or I'm assuming it's probably metric. And put the screw in here. So the other day I woke up and it was just, my toothache was hurting real bad. Went to the dentist, and they actually asked me, how long has that crown been gone? I said, what crown? And so I'm on antibiotics right now because I'm trying to get the tooth pain down. Last night was probably the worst night. I've been sleeping in the recliner for about a week, kind of like I did when I had my cancer treatment on my face. So I tell you what, people, the struggle is real. I just let you know, y'all know, I love y'all. I really appreciate you watching my videos. There I have it. I have the quarter 20 set up on here. Now, if I wanted to, I could put it on a tripod or something that's quarter 20 and shine it 410 meters if I want to. I'm going to put these extra screws here in. They give you four screws. The particulars on this is the Wuben X1 Pro right now on Amazon is $139.99. So it is a more expensive flashlight than what you're probably used to. It is rechargeable, fully rechargeable. The batteries are replaceable, so if they ever do go out, you can actually order another set. 12,300 lumens combined, 410 meters. It has the spot and the floodlights. The spotlight is 8650 lumens. The floodlight is 3650 lumens. Together with them both is 12,300 lumens. It has discharge support, which means you can charge your phone with this. You can use it as a battery pack, in other words. And then it has smart cooling. It has a replaceable fan module. So if the fan ever goes out and it tells you it's overheating, you can order another fan module. I haven't had this very long, so I don't know how long the fan module is supposed to last. But like all Wuben things, they're usually pretty good. A wearable belt holster comes with it in the box. It is IP65 rated, waterproof. It has it's a little heavy in my opinion, but they tried to pack all this stuff into one casing. So it weighs 13.5 ounces. And the measurements on this are 59.6 millimeters by 29.5 millimeters by 138 millimeters. In American is 2.35 inches by 1.16 inches by 5.43 inches. That's the specifics on that. I think it's a really, really nice flashlight. I wanted to show it to you. If you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate it if you go down and hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim and Air Toolman back at you.
I'll be back.